Students, we were just talking about easy connectivity for trade purpose with other continents. Now, if you look at this, this is India, this is India, this is Africa, and here this is Europe. This is America. Earlier, if ships had to go to Europe or America, they had to take this long way, long distance. Whole of Africa, from here, west coast of Africa, from here, then to Europe or to Africa like this. But in 1869, with the opening of Suez Canal, this distance was reduced by 7,000 kilometers from India. Now look at this map here. This is India. As I had shown you earlier, this is Africa. So one had to go like that to Europe or America. But in 1869, now first try to look here, see this. This is Arabian Sea. This is Red Sea. And here you can see Mediterranean Sea. Yeah, you can see Turkey, Greece. This is Europe. So now in 1869, what happened with engineering skills? Here you can see this Red Sea. यहाँ जाकर बहुत बारीक सा हो जाता है. So there was only a small strip of land, although this is very small here, but in reality, but still it is small. So with engineering skill, this strip of land was divided. A gap was created here. Look here. Up to here, it is Red Sea. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत बड़ा गैप है. Ships can pass very slowly from here. इतनी जगह है कि शिप आराम से बस निकल जाए वहाँ से. But it has reduced the distance from India to Europe by 7,000 kilometers, because now ships can directly go from this coast, from here, Red Sea, past this Suez Canal. This connectivity, ये जो निकाला बीच में से, this is known as Suez Canal. ये कायरो, this is Egypt, its capital is Cairo. तो यहाँ से ये Suez Canal निकल रही है. This is known as Suez Canal. तो from here ships can go to Mediterranean Sea. Then you can see this is Europe. So otherwise, as I had shown you earlier, the ships had to move from here throughout the, it is not visible, but this is Africa. पूरा वेस्ट कोस्ट का चक्कर लगा के यूरोप जाना पड़ता था. तो because of the opening of this Suez Canal, the distance has been reduced by 7,000 kilometers from India to Europe.